All right, so we continue forward, and luckily, what do you have it? You have a Buick, and of course, that's messed up. This has to be fairly new because I was here a couple weeks ago. This wasn't here. But voila, this is our replacement. And yeah, this will be fairly easy. So yeah, this part broke off, and I thought you had to take this off, but you're really supposed to take this whole thing off. And if I go inside, whole leather seats, you gotta love it. You gotta take this bad boy off here. And once I do that, there's gonna be 3 little screws. See, it's kind of hard to do things. I need to get a GoPro. I'll put this on my like chest ahead. And I take this off. It's gonna be 3 bolts with like a little foam pad. Just take that off. There's a 3. It's gonna be 3 screws. I believe it'll be 10. Or I think that'll be 10 millimeters. But you have to take this door off. And before that happens, I actually got to take this off. Then there's a screw. And you unscrew that, and it pretty much just come right off. All right, I forgot to mention there is another screw down here that you need to take out. I don't want to leave people hanging, but see this light here? When you take it out, it's another screw. So there's a screw there, screw up here, and then you just pull her off. Be conservative with it now. But yeah, here we are. Got the foam exposed. So there's 3. Looks to be, man, it might not even be 10 millimeter. It might. I think it's 10, and it should come right off. Say,
I took it and put phones on.
22 years of service here. So
how much you sold it for?
Yeah.
No, I had sold
A little imperfection, but you got something better, you take it, right? Alrighty, so she about coming off now. Yeah. We got no more to get. Take it off.